Hello guys, I am Erwin and in this lecture I will discuss about indentation. So most of the programming languages like C, C++, Java use braces to define a block of code, but Python uses indentation. And a code block, just like a body of a function, loops, class, starts with the indentation and ends with the first unindented line. The amount of indentation is up to you, but it must be consistent throughout that block. Okay, and generally four white spaces are used for indentation, and it is preferred over tabs. So let's take an example. So let's take an example of indentation, and I'm using for loop to demonstrate the working of it. So I have written a piece of code. So if for I in range and 1 to 11, and after colon if I hit enter, so it will come here, not here. So you can clearly see the indentation. Okay, and if I run this program, it will print from 1 to 10. Okay, and incorrect indentation will result into indentation error. So let's check it. Okay, so these are the indentation error. So I hope it is clear to everyone, and thank you so much for watching this video.